Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a DeLonghi Magnifica XS that was brought in by Thepania. Thank you for bringing it in. There was a complaint that the steam was not being produced to an adequate temperature or pressure. So anyway, let's draw a shot first of all. Oh, and also that the bean hopper was not drawing in beans. As you can see, it is drawing in beans now. And we're drawing a shot. We'll get there. There we go. So this is just a single shot.
It's still heating, that's why.
And it does look quite nice. But that was not really the complaint, so we're going to move on to steam real quick. And let's demonstrate. Here is steam. It's clearing the water out right now. And that's the steam. You can tell it's pretty hot. Yeah, it's good heat. Alright, so let's close that, and then we'll make it do water as well. Putting out water. Alright. Thepania, thank you for bringing it in. It was a pleasure to work on. If you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like it. Have a good one.